You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
I'm sorry. I am so.
Lady Baka will burst into tears in the video as she talked about the ongoing Baba Ijesha's rape scandal involving a minor. She added that she hardly involved herself in social media. According to the actress, she decided to express herself in the video when she got emotional after she saw the video where Baba Ijesha confessed.
I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Nigerians, I'm sorry. My lovers all over the world, I am deeply sorry. Please, I beg you in the name of God. From day one, I have never been in support of this act. And I'm using this medium to call on every authority to make sure that Baba Ijesha suffer for this. I want you, me dada, mi o ṣe bí o. Mi ò dẹ̀ kí n support ibi la. Misconception lásán lọ́rọ̀ tẹ́mi sọ o. Mi ò dẹ̀ sọ anything. Kí Ọlọ́run jọ kó bá wa dáàbò bo àwọn ọmọ wa. Kó má pàdé alágbàkó. K'Ọlọ́run kó ṣàánú àwọn